Hi guys, welcome back on Cloud Saviors. My name is Rahul Mujahid. So let's talk about MFA, multi-factor authentication. So as the name suggests, we are doing multiple authentication just to get the user inside the system. Okay. So what happens generally we have a username and a password. So these are the two combination that you have to put if you want to log in somewhere, maybe a website or any kind of application. So once you put your username, then your password, then you will be logged in into the application. Okay. So now, what is the difference between a simple login or MFA? In simple login, you will just need your credential like your username and password. That's it. But in MFA, you have to prove yourself multiple times. In a very non-technical terms, it is just like you are authorizing yourself multiple times. So one, I have my password for my identification. Secondly, I would be having anything, maybe a physical device or maybe an application just to authenticate my identity that I am the legitimate person. This is the reason we are calling it MFA, multi-factor authentication. Okay. So we have a lot of application. We have a physical device. By using these things, you can authorize yourself as a legitimate person. So whenever you are authorizing yourself multiple times, we call it multi-factor authentication. Okay. So let's say if I put my username then password as a secondary authentication, I may use Microsoft Authenticator for the MFA for the multi-factor authentication. Third, maybe I'm using any kind of physical device, maybe a RSA for the multi-factor authentication. Okay, so just remember these things. It's a very simple thing. Whenever you are using multiple authentication just to log in into any system, we call it multi-factor authentication. That's a very simple and non-technical definition of MFA. That's it for now. See you in the next video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button of Cloud Saviors.